figured rather than taking a bunch of screenshots with Moodle, it's kind of large. So, and not as much fits on the page. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is a ton of screenshots. So I thought maybe making a video, hoping in hopes that this will upload to our discussion would be easier. So I did type out things here, but basically just very, very quickly. So my course opens with the first day of class, and it tells them what to do here. And of course, since I'm not taking screenshots, you can pause and read on here if you need to. We have an introductory lab, and this is actually a synchronous class. So we'll go over all these things during class too. They'll have, once we actually meet the first day, I will post on here the video for the first day of class. If this were an asynchronous class, which I teach many of those, then I have a video like the one I'm recording for you right now, explaining everything to them, and that's the first thing they see and are required to watch that. But so it tells them here, review the welcome and syllabus. So we have to go to the course information tab, which is the first tab. I would have the course open there, but for some reason it won't let me do that. There's no little light bulb. So yeah. So here we have my information, a welcome to the students that does explain what kind of activities and assessments and where to look for everything in as short a way as possible. The syllabus explains it more, obviously. If I don't know that you really want to look at my syllabus, but well, this is we have a specific format for our syllabus at Wilkes that is online, but this is I call it my fun version. I'm just starting this semester in hopes that maybe if it looks pretty, they might read it, yeah, we'll see. But of course it explains everything, and it's the exact same as the one that we have in Moodle here. That's the one for them to print. I need to type that underneath. And then this is the one that they go through, that everybody has the same syllabus, same format, same everything. Okay, so then after the first week or so, when they've got everything done that they need to do to start with, then I have my class start with the calendar tab. And this calendar explains exactly what they do, what they need to do for the entire course. Since I've taught it several times, I've already got everything outlined. If I need to change it, I do, and I let them know, of course, and I update this page. But basically, it's got everything that they need. It's got due dates in bold. I do a flipped classroom with my synchronous classes because there's not time to lecture in class. We work on labs for the most part in class and answer questions and that type of thing. So I require them to watch the videos, and I tell them when they're due. And then I have the lessons listed out on here, basically when I expect them to complete them. So while the 4-1 homework isn't due until Monday, I'm expecting them to have started watching that lecture, taking notes on the handouts that I give them, and I print these handouts, I'll show you, and give them to the school to pass out to the students, and along with their textbook. And then I expect them to start the homework there. So you can see, on Tuesday, they're starting the 4-2, even though it's not due until the next Wednesday. Whether they do it or not then, that's up to them, but this is what I recommend so that they can use this calendar to pace themselves. And then, of course, the due dates are required. I very rarely take late work. So that's basically that. And then there's labs on there, the tests, everything. Every single thing we do is on here. So even though we've got 2 platforms, we've got labs, which are in Moodle, and the homework, which is in Hawks, everything, they don't have to look in 2 separate places for due dates. Everything is right here. And the notes that I print out, just so I'll show you here, they get this handout when they pick up their textbook, and when they watch the video, they're able to take notes on it. So it has what they need to know for the section up top, and then the examples, and they write down the answers just like I do in the video, which I record on my iPad. So, okay, well, tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.